Man, this unboxing would make me want a donut. Welcome back to another video. My name is Sid Bones and I have a very cool unboxing. It's a new knife. New knife, happy life. Isn't that what the saying goes? I'm pretty sure it is. I have the odd sensation I'm sleeping on the couch tonight. Anyways, I have a very cool package here. This is a new knife. This is from Crispy Donut Community. This is their new fixed blade, the Salvation. I managed to get my hands on one. So let's get to this unboxing, shall we? I'll keep it short. Now let's make this unboxing unnecessarily edited, shall we? Let's get to it. There it is, the Crispy Donut Community EDC Essential Box. Now what's in here? Well, like I mentioned, this is the Salvation. Now real quick, I've been admiring the Crispy Donut donut knives for a while. Like, they're silly. We all need something silly in our collection, and yeah, this is gonna be mine. I definitely like it. Now let's check this out. Let's open the box. What's in here? Well, first up, got a nice microfiber cloth to keep the blade clean, and also could probably use it for glasses. Now, what else is in the box? Got a card, QR codes to their social medias, Facebook, website, and Instagram. Cool. The Salvation sticker. I like that. I like that. And here is the main course. Oh, it's bigger than I thought as I drop it. Let's check this out. Comes with a Kydex sheath. Whoa, this is a subscribe. Check. Stop. Did you look below? Did you subscribe yet? Hit that subscribe button. This video won't continue until you hit that subscribe. So, you hit it. Good. While you're at it, hit that like button. Great. Back on with the video. So, now that is a nice, very nice fixed blade. I've been on the market for a new fixed blade for a while because I'm trying to get into them more. And this is nice. I really like it. It's heavier than I thought. You got the lanyard loop there. Now let's check out the blade. Got the logo there, Crispy Donut Community, the CDC. On the other side, S35V and blade steel. I do not know much about blade steels. My knowledge of knives is cutting paper in boxes, and I don't really take them to the hardcore. I just know that this is a good steel. That's basically the end of my knowledge here. But if you guys want to know my thoughts on this knife, I can definitely do that in the near future. I might actually do it anyways. This is pretty cool. The scale material is G10. Got pink and blue sprinkles. Stonewash blade. I wanted the black one, but that was gone already. I managed to get the last Stonewash pink and blue sprinkles, and I am very happy I managed to get one. Now the Kydex sheath, I will probably switch it out for a leather one in the near future. I do want to hit up Oak City Leather for another sheath. A fun color, I'm thinking. I seen that they had a purple option, so I might go with purple. Maybe purple and blue. We'll see. Maybe pink threads around. Just a fun sheath to match a fun knife. Don't you think that'd be pretty cool? Other than that, though, I don't mind the Kydex. I really like the Kydex. It's more, I find it satisfying. I like that click. I find that satisfying. So, but yeah, I would much prefer having my fixed blade in my front pocket. Easier to grab. And yeah, that'd be down the road, though. I'll play with the Kydex for a while. So yeah, this is a fun knife. I really like it. I've been on the market for a new fixed blade for a while, and I've been checking out the Bradford Guardian knives, and those are sweet looking. I really like the customization that they offer, different scales, different metal, and all that. But then I just happened to tune into or log on to Instagram at the right moment when Crispy Donut Community posted that they're going to be dropping some salvations. So I had to wait. I wanted to try it because, yeah, it looked like a fun knife. I wanted something that stood out in my collection. And this will definitely stand out with the bright colors. Like I did mention, I do want to get a leather sheath for it sometime. I was checking out the Oak City leathers, and I seen that they do have different colors for leather. I might go for a purple leather, maybe with a navy blue on the inside and a pink thread on the outside, because got to match the knife, right? Fun knife needs a fun sheath, so yeah, I'll probably hit up Oak City leathers sometime in the near future. Could be tomorrow, could be next week, could be next month. I don't know when. Till then, I will be playing with the Kydex sheath a lot. I got to get familiar on how to use this because I'm not used to this. I'm used to the ulti clip or the pocket clip style, so I'm gonna have fun with this. Anyways, I am gonna end this video here. I kept you guys here long enough. So I do have more videos coming. I do have more gear coming in. I did shoot some content already that I haven't posted yet. I will post in the next few days in the form of shorts. I do have another long form video coming. I will post it next week. It is going to be my thoughts, first week thoughts on the Big Idea design tie knife. I've been using it all week. It's been in my pocket as my main driver. It's been in my pouch for when I wanted to keep my pockets clear. So yeah, tune in for that. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, because you don't want to miss out. You might want to hear what my thoughts are. It is a very cool knife. That's all I have to say for now. I will give my full thoughts in the next video. So hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.